install the first wall tonight. The truck camper. Got everything pretty much mocked up. This is my first actual video. I didn't think people would be too interested in the assembly of these pieces. Using Tight Bond 2 premium wood glue. It's water resistant, interior and exterior. I don't like touching that glue, so if I use anything, I don't get it on my hands. Seems like I have a problem with that anyway. Most of the time the stuff's always on my hands. Alright. Go back here. It's going to be a mess, so I like to keep things kind of clean. There you go. All right. Hey. Set here. So I'm getting it clamped down on this side. You can see there's glue everywhere. And I guess the glue is the whole strength of the whole thing. I'm going to put some screws. There. I'm going to pre-drill some holes underneath. And I'm going to screw with 2-inch construction, number 9 construction screws. See what I mean about getting the glue on my hands? No matter what I do, it's all over my hands. Okay. All right. Perfect. All right, well, let's get a screw in here. I had these. I'm not thinking I'm going to need them now. I think it's squared up pretty good, just tightening it down with more clamps. Yeah. Where's that? Yeah. These are these construction screws. They got the Torx bit T25. They do a good job. They go in easy. You don't strip the heads out for sure. There you go. They're nice. let's draw that up nice and tight, boy. I have these other, the 2x4s, this, the base of this, the 3/4, one sanded, one side plywood, I got for free. That's why I used it for the base. Well, it's got some warp to it that I'm slowly working out of it, but as soon as these pieces are on here now, the table's perfectly level, it's perfectly flat, everywhere it's zero, it's perfect. So with all of this, it should, once I fasten the front of it on, it should square it all up and keep it squared up. I guess I don't have a dimension or anything, I'm just spacing them about 8 or 10 inches apart. I think it's more like 8. And just putting them where I can, get it in there. Oh yeah, that's nice. Yes. Make 2 more and we'll be done. All right. Now, we'll get it squared to the base, and then we'll let this sit, and then we'll get the other side set, and then we can start construction on the front. Okay, let me see where we're at here. I think drew up pretty good. Yeah, that's close. That's not even worth messing with. Oh, that's good too. Yeah, drawing that up to the wood really squared these up. This thing's damn near perfect. Darn near perfect. And the back here's got to come out. I'm going to throw that out. Yeah, let's see what we got here. Go. I think we're going to call it good. Looks like my battery's dying. So, until the next one.